Hi, good afternoon. Wait for a while. Let everybody to join. Okay, we do the lesson 35, the last week lesson, last page. Last week lesson, last page. The question is there. The answer you're going to write in the lesson 36, the template. I give you two lessons, right? Yesterday I sent you two files, right? One is full of questions. Second one is the answer template. So, but the first questions template, the question in the last class, last page. You understand what I mean? Okay. This is the question. This is the page number 4, page number 4 of last week notes. This is the SPM 2015. SPM 2015, last week, last page. Last week, the last page. The answer for this, you will write today's worksheet, the second one, the template, this one. Page number 1 of the second one. Everybody understand? Can you see these two paper? This question you can see in the last week, last page. This question you can see the last week, last page, the question SPM 2015. And the answer, yesterday I sent you a file, right? Yesterday I sent you a file. The second file got this answer. Check out that. Okay, here next week and this week we use the same notes. Okay, last week we already done the 2016 SPM 2016. And today's class we'll do 2015, and if we got time, then we do 2018 also. And next week we'll do 2019. If you got time, then we do 2017 also. If we manage to finish this week, 2016 was last week. Last week we do SPM 2016, and this week we try to finish these two questions if you got time. Next week we'll do these two, the same worksheet. Now you keep the worksheet we used for like 3 to 4 weeks. If we manage to finish next week, then good. The following week we go for another chapter. But if you cannot finish me, the 2017 will be the following week. Okay, we will do all the questions since 2015 until 2019 on this chapter. Every year this chapter coming on now, this is minimum 25 marks. Okay, minimum 25 marks. Okay, maximum can go until 40 marks. Maximum can until go 40 or 45 marks. So you must be expert in this. In a form 4 itself, if you're good on this, if your form 4 itself you're good in this, means you are 25 marks. Wait, 25 marks means around 15 marks. The 25 marks will become a 15% of your final marks. 15% in your hand. Okay, if you're in a form 4 itself, you're good on this. Then later in a form 5, we do other things. Can. Okay. Yes, normally the normal way and the traditional way is we read this, we go here, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Yeah. Okay. Normally we'll plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and then we get an answer. From the answer, we'll do the account perdagangan untung rugi and penyata kedudukan kewangan. That's a traditional way. Okay. When I was a student, I do like that. But that one got some problem. What's the problem is after you plus, minus, later, whenever you do, you itself don't know which one to plus, which one to minus. Okay. And also it's wasting a lot of time. It's wasting a lot of time. So that's why here there's one teacher from Melaka lah, the Cikgu Zamli teach me this method. I feel this method is very good. Okay, so whenever the question, I always read the anda dihendaki account perdagangan untung rugi penyata kedudukan kewangan. Okay, the moment the question already asked me to prepare this, I will take a test pad. Okay, or you want to use a journal paper also can. I prefer test pad lah, but if you want to use journal paper also can. Take out and write the company name. Company name is Perniagaan Hakim. And also the tajuk take from here lah, take from here. Okay, and then dalam soalan itu ada ke tak ada, you don't care. Dalam soalan itu ada ke tak ada, you just copy all this. So you need to remember the format lah. Okay, you need to remember the format. Jualan tolak pulangan, jualan dapat jualan bersih. Lepas tu cost jualan. Okay, inventory awal belian tolak pulangan belian dapat belian bersih tambah dengan Audi. Okay, adu ya audio also same thing lah. Okay, just tulis. Ada ke tak ada tak apa. Ada ke tak ada tak apa, just tulis sahaja. Just tulis sahaja. Then cost barang belian or cost belian, cost barang untuk dijual, tolak inventory akhir, cost jualan, and then leave one line. After that, tambah hasil. Okay, hasil leave 5 line now. Normally we need 5 line, but I leave only four lines. But in SPM you leave 5 line. Now after that, tolak belanja will be until the end. And behind also belanja. Front page, behind let it be empty. Behind let it be empty. Okay, ini adalah akaun perdagangan. Saya belum baca soalan. I just baca the anda dihendaki. Faster, I take out a piece of paper. I draw this. Ini adalah rumah. Kita sediakan rumah untuk akaun perdagangan ini dan untung. Then go to the next page. Take out another test pad. Write the company name, peniaga hakim, the tajuk. Take from here. Then tulis aset bukan semasa, cost, susunan terkumpul, nilai buku, and last one will be, if you want, you can write here jumlah lah. Okay, after that, leave 3 line. Always 3 line is good enough for all the question. I have tried almost all the past year question using this method. Memang the line is enough. Okay, the line is enough. But if you're scared, if you want to leave extra, can. If you want extra, it's up to you, can. But 3 lines is good enough. Then after that, you tulis asset semasa. Under the asset semasa, these 3 you must write. Inventory akhir, account belum terima, dan peruntukan hutang ragu. You tulis 3 ini, then you leave 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line. Leave 5 line. After that, you tulis liability semasa, account belum bayar, leave 5 line. Then modal kerja, tulis modal kerja, leave 1 line. After that, tulis equity, modal awal, modal tambahan, leave 3 line. Ambilan modal akhir, then liability bukan semasa until the end lah. Liability bukan semasa until the end. So just remember this. Okay, now? Okay, so before I read the question, I prepare this table first. Ini saya panggil dia rumah. Sediakan rumah, so kita boleh masukkan semua item. Okay, lepas dah sediakan rumah, langkah 1 sediakan rumah, langkah 2 kita akan masukkan. Siapa yang tak datang minggu lepas? Wait. Ini langkah dia. If you want to screenshot this, you can. Minggu lepas saya ada tulis ni. Dekat nota dia. You want screenshot, we will follow this 5 langkah. Langkah 1, bina rumah. Langkah 2, baca the maklumat tambahan, rekodkan pelarasan dalam rumah. Langkah 3, rekodkan maklumat dari imbangan juga yang belum batal. Langkah 4, kirakan untung atau rugi bersih. Pindahkan untung atau rugi bersih ke akaun equity dan kira semua. Inilah 5 langkah yang kita akan follow. So, lesson 36. Kita akan buat soalan SPM mata. Saya dah sediakan rumah. Langkah 2 adalah baca the maklumat tambahan, settle the maklumat tambahan. So the first maklumat tambahan saya nampak adalah inventory dicatatkan dalam kad stock inventory ataupun kad inventory yang berasingan. Ada harga cost, ada harga pasaran. So which one I'll take? Inventory sentiasa ambil. You ingat the word takap. Inventory kita akan follow konsep takap. Apa itu takap? Terendah antara cost ataupun pasaran. Very good. Okay, kita akan tengok cost, kita akan tengok pasaran. Whichever lower, we take the price. But ada student yang buat ni salah. Ini adalah salah. They jumlahkan this. They say which one is lower, they take that one. Cannot. It's not like that. It's never work in that way. Okay, it's like individual. If they give you the total, then if they give you total, then no choice lah, we take that. But if they give you individual inventory, we will check individual inventory, whichever lower. So first one, inventory 1, whichever lower. This one. Kad inventory 2, this one. Kad inventory 3, this one. Kad inventory 4, this one. Yes. Okay, so kita akan ambil calculator, 2450 plus 1740 plus 1380 plus 940. I get a total of 6510. 6510. So yang inventory ini kena rekod di semua benda yang ada dekat maklumat tambahan ini mesti kena rekod di dua tempat. Satu adalah inventory akhir ini, satu adalah di bawah kos jualan. Saya akan pergi ke kos jualan dekat inventory. Inventory akhir ini tunjuk pengiraan. Mesti kena tunjuk the pengiraan. Check my calculator. 2450 plus 1740 plus 1380. 1380 plus 940. So total 6510 in a second line. Okay, you akan dapat satu markah untuk ini ya. Just pass up this, you'll get 1 mark. Then after that, another place that you write the inventory akhir is dekat aset semasa. Pergi dekat aset semasa, tak perlu tunjuk pengiraan. Pengiraan hanya di satu tempat sahaja kita tulis. Okay, dekat sini saya tulis dalam answer 6510 in a third line. This is the first line, second line, third line. This is the fourth line. But follow your textbook. Follow your textbook. The textbook write in the second line. Textbook write in the second line. If you want to write in the second line also can, no problem. Same thing. Okay, write in the second line or write in third line. Asset semasa, both also same thing. Up to you. But I prefer to write in the third line. But your textbook write in the second line. Can also, no problem. Both also can. Okay, I'm done with the maklumat tambahan number 1. Any problem on the maklumat tambahan number 1? And now, saya baca maklumat tambahan nombor 2. Maklumat tambahan nombor 2, sewa belum terima. Wait. Kalau sewa belum terima, it's either asset or liability. Sewa belum terima. Sewa belum terima, asset ke liability? Belum terima means saya hutang ke dia hutang? Saya belum terima, dia hutang saya. Kalau dia hutang, itu adalah aset. Aset apa? Aset semasa. Aset semasa. So, berapa? 2,000. You pergi dekat aset semasa, tulis sewa belum terima. Berapa? 2,000. As I told you, all the assets semasa, I prefer to write in the third line. But if you want to write in the second line, also can. No problem. Sewa belum terima, 2,000. You get 1 mark for this. You just write this, you get 1 mark. Okay. After that, kita tengok dekat sini ada tak sewa diterima? Yes. Sewa diterima adalah 6,000. So 6,000 ini kita batalkan di sini. You mau cut also can, but I prefer to put a tick because sometimes I cut already, then I cannot see the number, I cannot write. So I put a tick in the beside. So 6,000. This 6,000 adalah sewa yang sudah diterima. This 2,000 adalah sewa yang belum terima. So kalau sewa belum terima, kita tambah ke kita tolak? Sewa belum terima, kita tambah ke kita tolak? Others? Sewa belum terima. Okay, if you don't know, you can check here. Lesson 34. Lesson 34. Check here. Always, you take out this. When I was a student, I always take this particular page. I have done this one. I do myself. When I was a student, I draw in my book. Satu kertas, saya simpan ini. Setiap kali saya buat soalan akaun perdagangan untung rugi, I will take this. I will see this. If you see this, everything will be there. So saya tanya apa? Soalan hasil sewa belum terima. Kalau sewa belum terima, tambah ke tolak? Itu adalah aset semasa. Memang saya dah rekod dekat aset semasa. Okay. Hasil belum terima. Tambah ke tolak? Tambah. Understand or not? The student who say tolak. Now you understand? Hasil belum terima. tambah. Kenapa tambah? If you want to know why tambah, I can explain too. Okay, but actually you no need to know. Just follow this formula, you get the marks. Okay, but if you want to know, I can explain. Belum terima means you belum record. Kalau belum record, dia belum ada dalam buku itu. Kalau disebabkan belum ada dalam buku itu, kita kena tambah. Okay, disebabkan belum terima, dia belum record. Tapi itu adalah hasil untuk tahun ini. Hasil untuk tahun ini, tapi disebabkan belum terima, kita belum record. Okay, jadi dia belum ada dalam tu. So disebabkan belum record, kita kena record. So kita kena tambah. Ini adalah lesson 34. Lesson 34. Make sure the first page, whenever you don't know, you just refer this, you will know. Tambah ke, tolak ke, record di mana. Okay, tambah. So 6,000 tambah dengan 2,000, ini adalah hasil. Ini adalah hasil. So saya akan pergi ke hasil, tulis sewa diterima. 6,000 yang telah diterima tambah dengan 2,000 yang belum terima. 8,000 straight away write in the first line. Straight away write in the first line. If you write in the second line also can, but no point lah. Just write the first line. Siapa tak faham, please ask me. Please tell me. If I'm too fast also, tell me. I will slow down. Okay, next one. Gaji belum bayar. Gaji belum bayar. Kalau gaji belum bayar, asset ke liability? How to know which line to put the value? You follow whatever that I'm saying. That's the best thing. Okay, because it's fixed. It's fixed. You see, okay, if we stop for a while, we stop for a while. I explain to you something. See, jualan will be here. Pulangan jualan. This is fixed. This fixed. Jualan will be here. Pulangan jualan here. This pulangan jualan is supposed to minus with cost jualan. It's supposed to minus with the cost jualan. But you don't know how much the cost jualan. Whenever you don't know how much the cost jualan, so from the first line, you go to the second line. First line, go to the second line to calculate the cost jualan. So inventory awal tambah, you don't know the belian. You don't know the belian bersih. So from the second line, you go to the third line. Belian tolak pulangan belian dapat belian bersih. Belian bersih tambah dengan Audi dapat cost belian. Then you go here cost belian. Then inventory awal tambah dengan cost belian, get the answer. The answer tolak dengan inventory akhir, you get the cost jualan. Once you get the cost jualan, go back here. So from the first line, why I go to the second line to calculate something. From the second line, I go to the third line to calculate something. Whenever you want to calculate something, you go to the another line, total up. Once you get the total, go back to this line. Once you get the answer, go back to this line. It's always like that. Understand? And it is fixed, actually. It's fixed. For all the question, it's fixed. Then this answer, untung kasa tambah dengan hasil. So I total up all the hasil here. Just total up one shot, get the answer. After that, belanja. Belanja must be second line because I want to total up belanja. If you have only one belanja, you can straight away write here minus. But since you have a few belanja, then you go here, you total up the belanja, come back here, minus. Can. Okay. Gaji belum bayar. Gaji belum bayar is your liability. Gaji belum bayar, it's your liability. So go to the liability first, tulis. Gaji belum bayar. Gaji belum bayar berapa? 1,200. Write in a third line also. Okay, why I writing in the third line? Because later I will total up. This one, this asset bukan semasa need to plus with modal kerja. Okay, this asset bukan semasa need to plus with modal kerja. How to calculate the modal kerja? You need to take the asset semasa, tolak the liability semasa. Asset semasa, tolak the liability semasa. So I want to know the total asset semasa. Since I don't know the total asset semasa, so I go to the third line, I calculate all the asset semasa. Once I get a total, I go back here. All the liability semasa, total up, go back here. So you take the total asset semasa minus with the total liability semasa, I'll get the modal kerja. That's why I go to the third line. But if you want to go second line also can. But this one must be third line. Can? Okay, after the gaji belum bayar tambah ke tolak? Very good. Gaji belum bayar tambah ke tolak? Very good. Belum bayar means belum record. Belum record means I need to plus. So can you go check berapakah gaji yang telah direkod? Gaji yang telah direkod di imbangan juga. Gaji yang telah dibayar ataupun gaji yang telah direkod adalah 57520. So in my calculator, I take my calculator 57520 plus with gaji yang belum bayar is 1200. So I get the answer. I go to the belanja. I write here gaji. I write here gaji 57520 plus with 1200. I get an answer 57720. Sorry, 58720. Right in the second line because we need to total up. Okay, I'm done with the third maklumat tambahan. Then the fourth maklumat tambahan adalah hutang lapor dihapuskan. Hutang lapor dihapuskan. You can check in the lesson 34 first page. Apa yang kena buat bila ada hutang lapor, kita akan tolak the ABT tambah the belanja. So can you go check ada tak hutang lapor dekat sini? Ada tak hutang lapor di sini? No, I didn't see any hutang lapor. So kalau tak ada means tak apa, we create a new one. Okay, hutang lapor berapa? 400, right? Go to the belanja, create a new one. Hutang lapor 400. Kalau ada, we will plus into it. Kalau ada, we plus into it. Disebabkan tak ada di benda baru, so we create a new one, hutang lapor 400. After that, hutang lapor ini akan mengurangkan the ABT. You can check in the page number 34, lesson number 34, page number 1. Hutang lapor kita kena tolak ABT. How much your ABT? Your ABT is 25,600. 25,600 tolak 400. So you go to the ABT. ABT sudah ada dekat aset semasa. So 25. Okay, wait down. 600 minus 400. So my answer will be in the fourth line, 25,200. 25,200. Why I write in this is the first, second, third, fourth. Why I write in the fourth line? Because later I need to minus with the peruntukan hutang ragu. ABT need to minus with the peruntukan hutang ragu. Then only I get a total answer. I write the total. Later I total of this answer. I write here. Later take this total of this. I write here. It's like that. Okay. That's why I write in the fourth line. 25,200. My inventory akhir is 6510. Okay, here I got a question. But it's hapuskan. Isn't it supposed to be hasil? Okay, what is the meaning of utang lapor dihapuskan? A lot of people got this confused. Actually, I also don't know why this people use this word. But apakah maksud hutang lapor dihapuskan? Maksud dia adalah they supposed to construct this line like this. But I don't know, SPM, they always use this type of word. Okay, they supposed to say hutang ABT dihapuskan sebagai hutang lapor. This is what this means. Hutang lapor dihapuskan, maksud dia adalah hutang ABT dihapuskan sebagai hutang lapor. Hutang ABT dihapuskan sebagai hutang lapor. This is what this means. It's not you hapuskan hutang lapor. If you hapuskan hutang lapor, itu hutang lapor terpulih. That one they will straight away say hutang lapor terpulih. Okay, ataupun they say hutang yang telah dihapuskan pada tahun lepas telah dikutip balik. Macam itulah they will say like that. But hutang lapor dihapuskan adalah hutang lapor berlaku, belanja bertambah. Do you understand or not? Okay, so in SPM they always use this type of word, but it is actually macam salah sikit lah. Hutang lapor dihapuskan, It's like dia hapuskan the hutang lapor. No, no, no. They didn't hapuskan the hutang lapor. They hapuskan hutang ABT sebagai hutang lapor. That's what it means. Okay, next one. I'm done with one of fourth one. Now fifth one. Yang kelima, peruntukan hutang ragu dikenakan 1% atas ABT. Peruntukan hutang ragu dikekalkan 1% atas ABT. So we need to calculate the peruntukan hutang ragu. I go to the aset semasa, saya kira this one suppose 6510 atas ni. Sorry. Okay, saya kira peruntukan hutang ragu. How to calculate the peruntukan hutang ragu? You can check in a lesson 34. Check in a lesson 34 first page. Okay, the formula untuk mencari peruntukan hutang ragu adalah ABT. ABT dia lah 25,200. The ABT selepas tolak the hutang lapor and everything 25,200. Darab dengan berapa peratus? Darab dengan 1%. According to the question, darab dengan 1%. So 25,200 darab 1%, saya dapat 252. 252. So straight away you tolak, you dapat 24948. This one you put it in a bracket. You straight away write the answer. This one you can underline. Lepas itu, lepas kita kira dah masukkan dah kira, kita akan pergi ke imbangan duga check. Ada tak peruntukan hutang ragu? Ada. Peruntukan hutang ragu ada 312. And this is the last year's one. This year how much you calculate? You calculated this year's peruntukan hutang ragu adalah 252. This year's peruntukan hutang ragu adalah 252. And the one that in the imbangan duga, the one in the imbangan duga, this is the last year's one. Last year's one is 312. So bertambah ke berkurang? Bertambah ke berkurang? Last year was 312. This year was 252. Peruntukan hutang ragu bertambah ke berkurang? Berkurang. Last year was 312. This year was 252. I calculated just now. Kalau berkurang, kita akan letak sebagai hasil. Yes. Kalau berkurang, itu adalah hasil. Very good. Tulis kat sini. Pengurangan hutang ragu. Show the working. 312,252 minus I got 16. Pengurangan hutang ragu. Show the working out. The working must be there. 16. I'm done with the maklumat tambahan nombor 5. Okay, maklumat tambahan nombor 6. Bayaran kepada pusat kenderaan Nur. Wait, I don't know what they're talking about. They say pusat kenderaan Nur. What is pusat kenderaan Nur? Oh, it's here. They are talking about this. Pusat kenderaan Nur. They're talking about this. They are talking about this. But wait, I don't know what is pusat kenderaan Nur also. I know what is belian, pulangan, belian gaji, belanja, sewa. All this I know. Even all this I know. But pusat kenderaan, something is wrong there. We don't write the people's name inside the imbangan duga. So something is wrong. So they're explaining what is that. Now they are explaining what is this. Pusat kenderaan Nur adalah kenderaan baru dibeli 1 Januari 2015 dengan harga 14,600. Oh, that one is actually kenderaan, but they go record as a pusat kenderaan Nur. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the correction. What is the correction? You take out this, you minus 1460 from here. You minus out 1460 from here, and then you go to the kenderaan. Mana kenderaan awak? Your kenderaan is here, right? Your kenderaan 50,000, right? You cancel this, you go to the asset bukan semasa straight away, right? Kenderaan. My original kenderaan was 50,000, and then the new one that I bought is 14,600. Do you understand or not? 50,000 that you already recorded, the 14,600 you buy, but you go record as the guy's name, so which is wrong lah. So I do the correction now. So the total kenderaan yang saya ada sekarang adalah 64,600. The total kenderaan yang saya ada sekarang adalah 64,600. Siapa tak faham ini? Out of the 14,840, 14,600 is actually kenderaan. So I go plus into the kenderaan. Then after that, what happened? Insurance untuk kenderaan baru adalah 240. So if you minus another 240 here, what happened? 14,840 minus 14,600 minus 240, 0 already. So this account will be cancelled. Okay, because the pusat kenderaan, no, you don't know where to put in a PKK or Apur. There's no place to put this. So that one is actually out of the 14,840, 14,600 is kenderaan. I already plus into the kenderaan. The 240 is actually insurance. Do you have an insurance here? Yes, but this insurance adalah insurance premise. Insurance premise means for your building. But this insurance 240 for what insurance? This 240 insurance is what? Insurance kenderaan. Is insurance kenderaan. So insurance kenderaan adalah belanja. Insurance kenderaan is your belanja. So go to the belanja right here. Insurance kenderaan. How much the insurance kenderaan? 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 How much insurance kenderaan? No, there's something tricky things there. There's something is there. They say what? Insurance kenderaan sehingga 31 Disember 2015 adalah 240. So 240 adalah untuk not for 1 year, right? You buy on the 1st January, they buy the insurance until the 31st December. So consider 1 year. The 1 year insurance is 240, correct? But you close your account on the 30th June. You are doing accounts until 30th June. So ini dalam insurance ini ada tak insurance prabayar? Ada ke tak ada? Did you pay extra? You are doing accounts until 30th June 2015, but this insurance has paid until the December. So how many months is extra? July, August, September, October, November, December. Berapa bulan? 6 bulan. So this 640, 6 bulan adalah untuk tahun ini. 6 bulan adalah untuk tahun depan. The one that you pay for untuk tahun ini akan menjadi saya punya belanja. The one that you pay for tahun depan will become my aset semasa. So boleh faham? So pergi dekat insurance belanja. Insurance kenderaan 240 times 6/12. 6 months for this year. 120. And the balance 6 months will become insurance prabayar, aset semasa. So the working. Boleh tak? Okay, 6 months for this, 6 months for that. Tricky question, huh? It's very tricky. Okay, next one. Semua aset bukan semasa disusun nilaikan setahun penuh tanpa mengambil kira tarikh pembelian aset. Bagus. Premis tiada. Premis ini tak ada apa tu, tak ada susun nilai. Kenderaan 30% atas kaedah baki berkurangan. Do you remember the formula untuk kaedah baki berkurangan? Formula untuk kaedah baki berkurangan adalah take the cost, tolak dengan susut nilai terkumpul, darab dengan percentage. Cost tolak dengan susun nilai terkumpul, darab dengan percentage. Okay, so saya pergi ke, inilah susun nilai kenderaan. Terus pergi ke belanja, tulis kat sini. Susut nilai kenderaan. How to calculate susun nilai kenderaan? Kita tengok kenderaan. Kenderaan dia berapa? Wait. Kenderaan ni saya dah cancel lah. Kalau saya dah cancel, saya dah tick ready. So don't take from here. You must take from here. This is your original after pelarasan the kenderaan. 64,600. So right here, 64,600. Tolak dengan susun nilai terkumpul kenderaan. Berapakah susun nilai terkumpul kenderaan? 24,000. So right here, minus 24,000. Darab dengan berapa peratus? 30%. 64,600 tolak 24,000 times 30%. I get 12,180. Boleh faham tak? If you don't understand, please tell me. Kita ambil the cost kenderaan yang baru. Tolak dengan 24,000 times dengan 30%. 12,180. Yang ini kena tambah dengan susun nilai kenderaan terkumpul. Answer tambah dengan 24,000. Jawapan itu dia akan pergi ke susun nilai terkumpul. 36,180. 36,180. Yang ini susun nilai dekat imbangan duga tambah dengan susun nilai yang kita kira di belanja. Jumlahkan dua-dua. Dan next one, lengkapan. 20% mengikut kaedah garis lurus. 20% mengikut kaedah garis lurus. When the question say garis lurus, we take the cost darab dengan peratus. Cost darab dengan peratus. So berapakah lengkapan? Lengkapan is 25,000, right? So straight away go here, right? 25,000. Lengkapan. Then belanja susun nilai will be here. Under the belanja, susun nilai lengkapan. Right here, how much I forget. 25,000. 25,000 darab dengan berapa peratus? 20%. I get 5,000. Right here 5,000. Lepas tu tengok susun nilai terkumpul. Susun nilai terkumpul is 10,000. So take this 10,000 tambah dengan 5,000. Itu adalah susun nilai terkumpul 15,000. Okay, I'm done with all the maklumat tambahan. I'm done with all the maklumat tambahan. So now langkah yang nombor 3, kita akan masukkan item-item yang belum masuk. Item-item yang belum tick lah. Item-item yang belum tick dalam imbangan duga ke dalam rumah kita. Okay, before that, I give you a few minutes. Can you check the answer? Any problem, you ask me. This is account perdagangan. Any problem, ask me. Account perdagangan dah untung rugi lah. Anything that you don't understand, why I get that number, why I write that, any question you can ask me. Ini adalah penyata kedudukan kewangan. Also same. Any Christian, check the answer. Any problem, ask me. No? Okay, no. I continue with the second one. Third step, sorry. Third step. Give me 1 minute. Okay, first one, we start with billion. 65164. Billion will be here. 65164. Next one is Jualan 204960. You don't cancel, just a tick. 204960. 204960. Pulangan dia terbalik, you know, right? Pulangan dia terbalik. Jualan di credit means pulangan will be in a debit. So this is pulangan jualan. 657 pulangan jualan, put it in a bracket. And 445 is pulangan belian. 445 pulangan beli terbalik. Angkutan keluar is belanja. Angkutan keluar is a belanja. Angkutan masuk will be in the belanja also. Angkutan masuk, angkutan keluar, both are belanja. But angkutan masuk is the main belanja. Since it's the main belanja, so we plus into the belian. Angkutan keluar is the side belanja, so we put as a normal belanja. Angkutan keluar. Continue. Belanja belanja am. Belanja am 17423. 17423, tulis belanja am. Next one is belanja kenderaan 2564. Belanja kenderaan. After that, insurance premise, belanja also. 2150. Then ambulan. Ambulan will be in a angkutan masuk. Ambulan here. Sorry, ambulan will be under equity. 6,500. Then premise. Premise is asset bukan semasa. $195,000. Lepas tu kenderaan dan lengkapan dan ABT dan ABB. ABB is 13,200. 13,200. Bank. Bank sebelah kredit. Kalau bank sebelah kredit itu adalah overdraft. Bank sebelah kredit adalah overdraft. Bank sebelah kredit adalah overdraft. Overdraft will be in a liability semasa. 9813 bank. Kalau you mau tulis bank overdraft also can. Or just bank also can. After that, inventory awal 6,000. Inventory awal 6,000. Inventory awal 6,000 will be here. Then peruntukan hutang ragu tiket ready, kendaraan tiket ready, susunan terkumpul tiket ready, modal 199688. Modal will be modal lah 199688. 199,688. I'm done. Okay, can you double check? Did I tick all the thing? Yes. Langkah nombor 3 pun sudah. Sekarang langkah nombor 4. Langkah nombor 4 adalah calculate the untung bersih. How to calculate the untung bersih? $204,960 minus 657. I get 204,303. Then belian tolak belian bersih 65164 tolak 445. Beda. And we get a belian bersih. This belian bersih normally we write here. Normally we write here, then plus with Audi. But this question, we don't have Audi. So since we don't have Audi, the answer straight away you can write here 64719. And what you can do, you can cancel this, you can cancel this, just cut only, just cut. Okay, since we don't have the Audi, cost belian pun tak ada. So what we do, inventory awal tambah dengan belian bersih. Belian bersih tambah dengan inventory awal tambah dengan belian bersih, you get cost barang untuk dijual. 70719. 70719. And this one minus with inventory akhir 6510. I get a cost jualan 64209. 64209. You can put it in a bracket. 204,303 minus 64209. You'll get an answer 140094. Ini adalah untung kasa if it is a positive. Untung kasa if it is a positive. If it is a negative, rugi kasa. Dan yang ini tambah dengan hasil. Tambah 8,000 tambah 60. I get 148,154. 148,154. After that, jumlahkan the belanja. 58720 plus 400 plus 120 plus 12180 plus 5,000 plus 17423 plus 2564 plus 2150. Total belanja is 98,557. You put it in a bracket because we need to minus 148,154. Tolak answer. I get 49597. 49597. Positive means untung bersih. Positive means untung bersih. Can or not? Yeah, I'm very sure if you follow the traditional way is you tambah tolak, right? Ikut masa baru you akan siap the tambah tolak dekat sini. Baru you siap tambah tolak dekat sini. Tapi sekarang kita sudah habis the penyata. It's very fast. If you follow this way, it's very fast. Okay, tak perlu bazi masa tambah tolak dekat sini. Lepas tu baru pergi tulis kat sini. Terus baca, terus tulis. Baca, terus tulis. It will be very fast. You can save your time here, so you can use the time in a different question. Can or not? Wait, let me check. The time given is 27.5 minutes. 28 minutes. But if you follow this way, you can finish in 25 to 30 minutes. You can finish in 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, then next one, after these are straight away. Once you get the untung, you take the untung terus pergi kat sini tulis untung. Terus tulis kat sini. So tuliskan ni tambah untung bersih. And yang untung bersih is 49597. Very nice number. 49597. So kita tak ada modal tambahan, just cut only. Kalau tak ada, just cut. Tambah ini 199688 plus 49597. I get a total of 249285. This one minus with your ambilan will be 242785. 242785. Yang ini sepatutnya kena tambah dengan modal liability bukan semasa. We don't have the liability bukan semasa. We can double line this. We can double line this. If you got liability bukan semasa, tambah dengan liability bukan semasa, then only double line lah. Then only you double line. Okay, disebabkan tak ada liability bukan semasa, just cut only. Cut, then double line for this. After you finish this part, then only you go up. After you finish this part, then only you go up. Now calculate this one. So kenderaan 64,600. 64,600 minus 36180. I get 28420. 28420. Then 25,000 minus 15,000. I get 10,000. Then 195000. Total up this one nothing. Just write again. So total up this 195000 plus 28420. Get a total of 233420. Then after that, total up your asset semasa 6510 plus 24948 plus 2000 plus 120. You'll get a total asset semasa of, you can write here or here, up to you. Okay, since I got extra line, I write down here lah. If you get no line, then I write here. Both also can lah. 33578. 33578. After that, total up this 13,200 plus 1,200 plus 9813. So the total you can say now right here or here, both again. So since we have an extra line, so I write down here. If you know extra line, then just write beside here lah. If you know line. So asset semasa 33578 minus 24213. I get a modal kerja of 9365. 9365. Then asset bukan semasa 233420 plus with 9365. I get a total of 242785. Double line. And normally this answer and this answer will be same. Tapi dalam SPM tak sama tak apa, just pass up only. Sama ke tak sama dalam SPM, you don't pening-pening, just hantar saja. Tak imbang doesn't mean you get 0 mark. Okay, I have a student who tak imbang still can get A. Still can get A. Okay, and 1 tahun SPM, I cannot remember 2017 or 2018, soalan salah sampai imbangan duga ini tak imbang. Soalan salah sampai imbangan duga ini memang tak imbang. Then the student spend like 30 minutes to check, why tak imbang, why tak imbang. So sebab soalan itu salah, so, memang tak akan imbang. So in SPM, imbang ke tak imbang, don't waste your time. You go do the next question. You finish all the question, got extra time, then come back and check. Okay, don't waste your time here, sit here in the, this is normally second question. This is normally second question. Don't waste your lot of time in this question. Okay, ini adalah SPM 2015 PKK. Any problem? No problem. We do one more question. We do last week we have done 2016 paper, and just now we have done the 2015, and then we do 2018 first because yes, accounts is easy. It's only things a lot. Accounts is easy, but it's a lot. If you can manage a lot of things, then it's easy. It's easy actually. Direct, it's easy. It's bukan susah, tapi banyak. Okay, now we do 2018 question. Okay, next week only we do 2019. Okay, yes, in a lesson 36, the first question is 2019, but ini tunggu nanti kita buat. Okay, minggu depan baru kita buat. Okay, so minggu depan I don't give you any worksheet. This is the worksheet that we are going to use next week also. So 2019 we skip, and next one 2017 also we skip first, then go for 2018. 2018, this one will be in a question paper, and this one will be in a I give you two worksheet, right? So this is the page number 4 of the first worksheet, the question worksheet. Go to the page number 4, the question worksheet. Then there's another worksheet, the answer worksheet. The one go to the last page, I think. Okay, some of the answer I already typed for you. Some of the answer I already typed for you, but we will do now. But this question is very, very nice question because if you read the Anda Dihendaki menyediakan akaun perdagangan dan untung rugi only. They didn't ask you to prepare the PKK. So you don't need to do the PKK. It's a waste of time if you do the PKK. Okay, if they ask only the akaun perdagangan, we just do the account perdagangan, and also they ask you to do equity. What is account equity? Account modal actually. Later I show you. It's account modal. So now, since they ask only for account perdagangan untung rugi, I'll take a paper. I just prepare. Di sana tajuk, the nama perniagaan tajuk. This one as usual. Jualan, pulangan jualan, jualan bersih as normal as normal. All the black color is as normal. Blue color is the answer. Don't see the blue color first. Okay, tambah hasil I leave 5 line. Okay, leave 5 line, and belanja will be until the end lah. All these are you don't see first. All these answer, don't see the answer. Okay, 5 line, and then belanja will be until the end. Belanja will be until the end. Prepare the rumah, yes. Okay, but this time you only prepare account perdagangan untung rugi only. No need to prepare PKK because the question didn't ask you to do PKK, so don't waste your time to do the PKK. Okay, after that, second step is maklumat tambahan. Read the maklumat tambahan. Inventory akhir dinilaikan 34,650. So go to the inventory akhir 34,650. 34,650. Normally, after I do this, then I go to the PKK. Dekat aset semasa, I tulis the inventory akhir there. But for this question, I'm not going to do for that because we are not doing the PKK. So we don't care about the another part. We do only this. After that, saver tahunan is 6,000. Tapi saver dekat sini 5,500. Saver for 1 year is 6,000. But saver dekat sini adalah 5,500. Ini adalah saver yang kita terima. Ini saver yang kita terima. Tapi 1 year saver is 6,000. So dekat sini kita ada saver belum terima 500. The saver belum terima 500 will be in a asset semasa. But we are not doing PKK. We don't care about saver belum terima. We just care how much for this year. Saver tahunan, you go here, right here saver, right here 6,000. Finish. How much for this year? We record in a hasil. And how much belum terima? The 500 supposed to be recorded in the asset semasa. You don't care about that because the question didn't ask me to do PKK. I'm done with the second one. The third one, gaji bulanan. 1 month is 900. If 1 month is 900 for 1 year times 12. 1 year times 12 supposed to be 10,800. But gaji yang ada dekat sini is 11,000. Gaji yang ada dekat sini adalah 11,000. Bermaksud kita ada gaji prabayar. How much the gaji prabayar? I don't want to know. I don't care about the gaji prabayar because gaji prabayar supposed to go to the asset semasa. I don't care about asset semasa. So how much for this year? 10,800. Gaji 900 times 12. I get 10,800. I straight away write here. Simple. Very simple. 2018, the question was very simple. Next one. Utility under 30, June belum bayar. Okay, this one got a little bit calculation. Under 30 belum bayar. So how much sudah dibayar? Yang sudah dibayar is 1348. So you take 1346. You take 1346 tambah dengan utility belum bayar is under 30. So total 1476 the utility for this year. The under 30 belum bayar will go to the liability semasa. But about the liability semasa, I don't care. I don't care. I just go here, I write utility 1346 yang sudah dibayar tambah dengan under 30 yang belum bayar. So jumlah utility adalah 1476. Next one. 470 dihapus kira sebagai hutang lapuk. So hutang dikira sebagai hutang lapuk. So do you have a hutang lapuk here? Yes. Hutang lapuk here is 350. This 350 tambah dengan 470. 350 tambah 470. Itu adalah hutang lapuk saya. 350, show the working, must show the working. Answer is 820. 820. Can or not? Next one. Aset bukan semasa perlu disusun nilaikan seperti berikut. Kenderaan 15% setahun. Atas kos. When the question say atas kos adalah garis lurus. Garis lurus punya formula adalah cost times with the percentage. Garis lurus punya formula adalah cost darab dengan percentage. So what we do is check the kenderaan. Berapakah kenderaan saya? Kenderaan saya adalah 8,000. Kenderaan saya adalah 8,000. 8,000 darab dengan 15%. So I go to the susun nilai. Okay, this one is skip first. Don't see this. Don't see this. 15%. So 8,000 darab dengan 15%, saya dapat 1,200. I write here 1,200. 8,000 darab dengan 15%, I get 1,200. I write 1,200. After that, perabot adalah baki berkurangan. When the question say baki berkurangan, you take the cost, tolak dengan susun nilai terkumpul, darab dengan peratus. Darab dengan peratus. So perabot, berapakah perabot? 6,700 tolak dengan 670. 6,700 tolak 670 darab dengan 10%. So 6,700 minus 670 darab dengan 10%, I get 603. 603. Then after that, you're supposed to go plus the susunan terkumpul dekat PKK, but we are not doing PKK. We don't care about that. Next one, peruntukan hutang ragu adalah 2% atas ABT. So how much is your ABT? 8670, but don't forget you need to minus with the hutang lapuk 470. So 8670 minus 470, answer darab dengan 2%. That's your peruntukan hutang ragu. Normally, right, this pengiraan, normally this pengiraan we do inside the PKK. But now we are not doing PKK, we just do here. 8670 minus 470 darab 2%. Saya dapat 164. Before that, do you understand? Do you understand why I take the 8670 minus the 470, but I didn't minus the 350? Do you understand why? I take the 8670 minus with the 470, but I didn't minus because both are hutang lapuk, what? Both are hutang lapuk, but I didn't minus the 350, but I minus the 470. Do you know why? Yes or no? Do you know why? You know, you don't know. Correct. Others? Because The 350 is already in the imbangan duga. The 350 already in the imbangan duga. If they already record in the imbangan duga means they already minus already. But this 470, okay, now only I record. Now only I record. I supposed to minus the 470 here, then plus the 470 here. Now only we recording. But the 350 already recorded in the imbangan duga. It means they already minus. But the 470 now only we are recording. So that's why we need to minus. They haven't minus, so we need to minus. Understand? Huh? So this is the peruntukan hutang ragu. This is the peruntukan hutang ragu 164. And how much the peruntukan hutang ragu last year? Last year is 195. Last year 195 and this year 164. Last year 195. This year is 164. So we have 31. 31 berkurang. Kalau berkurang will be in a hasil. Pengurangan hutang ragu is 31. Show the working lah. 8670 minus 470 times 2%. The answer tolak dengan 164. Tolak 164. Oh wait. Sorry. Suppose be tolak 195. Can you change? Because 8670 minus 470 times 2%, you get the 164. 164 minus 195, you get 31. Okay, this one supposed to be 195. How can you change? Okay, after that, next maklumat tambahan. Urus niaga berikut masih belum direkod. Kalau belum rekod, kita rekod lah. Okay, Arfa is the owner because I see the word Arfa adalah pemilik. Arfa membawa masuk, ini adalah modal tambahan 48,000 untuk kegunaan perniagaan pada 1 Januari 2018. Wait, I have a problem here. Arfa membawa masuk kenderaan 48,000. Bermaksud your kenderaan akan bertambah, betul? Kenderaan akan bertambah. If your kenderaan bertambah, your susun nilai akan bertambah ke tak bertambah? If your kenderaan bertambah, your susun nilai akan bertambah ke tak bertambah? Yes or no? Just now you calculate the susun nilai kenderaan, right? This susun nilai kenderaan for the 8,000 that you already have. But now there is a new kenderaan coming in. There's a new kenderaan coming in. Is the new kenderaan coming in, and it's also on the 1st January. And today's date is 30th June. So you use the kenderaan for how many months? January, February, March, April, May, June. You used for 6 months already. So do you need to calculate the susut nilai for this kenderaan? Yes. So the kenderaan, the susut nilai that you calculated here is wrong. This 1,200 is wrong because this 1,200 need to plus with susut nilai untuk kenderaan baru. Susut nilai untuk kenderaan baru berapa? The old one is 1,200, 8,000. So the new one is the kenderaan value is 48,000 times with 15%, but we use only for 6 months. 48,000 times 15% times 6/12. I get 3,600. So this is wrong. Padam ini 3,600 plus 1,200. I get 4,800. That's my new. That's my new susun nilai kenderaan. Do you understand? Ini adalah susun nilai lama untuk kenderaan lama. Ini adalah susun nilai untuk kenderaan baru. Okay, the question purposely give at the down there, so we will forget about the susun nilai. Whenever there is an asset, unless the question say tak perlu kira susun nilai untuk kenderaan baru, then no need to kira. But the question silent means you must kira the susun nilai. You must kira the susun nilai. Understand? Next one, barang niaga yang dibeli 3980 menggunakan cek peribadi. Ini pun modal tambahan tapi belian. Barang niaga dibeli means belian. Belian is you take 3980 plus with belian. Berapakah belian? 4780. So you go here, right? 4780 plus with 3980, you get a total billion is 51780. Okay, if you notice, I have done all the maklumat tambahan. I have done all the maklumat tambahan. Okay, after this, what we do is kita akan masukkan item-item daripada imbangan duga masuk ke sini. First one, promise tak payah pergi mana-mana. Promise will go to PKK, so you don't care. Inventory awal, yes. Inventory awal will be here. 28,900. After that, kenderaan modal tak payah. Kenderaan tak payah, susulan tak payah. Belian sudah, jualan. 86,700. Always see from the top to the bottom one by one. Lepas belian kita ada pulangan. Pulangan in the debit is pulangan jualan. 560, put it in a bracket. Lepas tu bank, bank we go to asset semasa, we don't care about that. Angkutan masuk 740. Angkutan masuk 740. Lepas tu discount. Discount di debit is actually discount di beri. Discount in a debit is discount di beri. 293, discount diberi is belanja. Hutang lapor dana ready, peruntukan utility dana ready, gaji. Gaji also dana, gaji sudah ada. Faedah overdraft. 320 is belanja. Faedah is your belanja. Faedah overdraft. Ambilan tak payah masuk sini. Sewa also done already. Sewa ada dekat sini. So that's it. Finish. Kita akan imbangkan. Kita akan dapat jawapan. Kira? 86,700 minus 560. I get 86,140. Lepas tu belian tambah dengan 51780 plus 740. I get a cost belian 52,520. So pulangan belian tak ada cancel, duty tak ada cancel, upah tak ada cancel, insurance tak ada cancel. All this cancel. Then inventory awal tambah dengan this answer 28,900. 28,900 plus 52,520. I get an answer 81,420. 81,420. Yang ini tolak dengan 34,600. 34,650. I get a cost jualan 46,770. Then jualan 86,140 tolak dengan cost jualan. I get 39,370. Itu adalah saya punya untung kasar. Untung kasar tambah hasil 6,000 plus 31. I get 45,401. Then jumlahkan dah belanja. $19,112. So 45,401 minus this answer, you'll get 26,289. Itu adalah untung bersih. Okay, that's the answer for A. 26,289. Answer B next week kita akan buat. B next week kita buat. Okay, B next week kita buat. Okay, if you want to check your answer, check here. I think that's it for today. Any question, please ask me. No question, you can leave the meeting. Thank you. Thank you. Question B, we will do next week. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.